Hello guys, this is Azher and today I am going to show you how to bypass Google account on any device. So I have a Samsung Galaxy Prime Plus with me and I will show you all the procedure. Please connect to a Wi-Fi network first. As you can see, this device is asking for the previous Gmail which was added here. So in case you forget it or you don't remember it, I will give you a solution how to bypass it. So go to Add Network and insert any kind of link. Now double click it and click in the assist button. Okay, so now it will take you to the Google app. Now search here internet. Okay, so we have found our internet browser. Click on it and click start. Cancel it and on this search bar type Frp files. I will give you the link in the description. So now click on the first link. So now we are here. So now download the Google Account Manager 6 APK and bypass Frp 1.0 APK. Okay, so now go to the bookmarks, history, download history. Here you can find your downloaded files. Wait for some moment, it might take some time to download these files. Okay, I think the file is downloaded. Okay, now go to the setting, click on the unknown sources and allow the installation. Now install it. Remember, you must install Google Account Manager first. Okay, the download is done. Now install Frp bypass APK. Once the installation is complete, open the app straight away. Click on the three dots and click on browser signing. Okay, now here you add any kind of random Gmail you have. Now input the password please. Okay, now sign in. Okay, so the signing is complete. Now go back all the way to the home screen. Okay, so now restart your device. Wait for some moment please. Okay guys, we are back again. Now click on the start button Now connect to your Wi-Fi network. Sorry for some trouble here, it's taking some time. Now follow me, follow every step I do. Click on the next button. Now agree, wait for a few moments. Your account is successfully added. Now wait for a few moments here. It might take 3 or 4 minutes, dependent on your net connection. Okay, so now I am skipping this. I'm going to skip this too. We are almost there, guys. One more step and we are done here. So as you can see, the device is ready to be used again. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again. Tata.